Hey guys, it is the 9th of December. And today we have where did the light go? Trains padlock, I'd say 30, maybe 35 millimeter. 30 millimeter padlock. I quite like these. I don't have a key, but do have the keyway. Let's see if we can open it. And as usual, I will try raking, rocking, and sipping. And then we will try SVP and see if we can get it to open. Where is my rake? Where is it? There we go. And it's opened by raking. Come on, close. There we go. I kind of have a feeling this might open in all 4 ways, but let's see. Rocking. Have to adjust this every time, but that's not too bad. Alright. Sipping. Get a different grip here, because the device is not so big. Sipping. Now, I need my hook. Let's see if we can open it by SPP. Ooh, okay, not open, not open. Oh, there we go. So, that was quite a bit easier than I expected. I think that's the easiest trains I have picked yet. But yeah, I really like these trains padlocks. They are quite cool. I think I have both a 30 and a 40 millimeter myself. Really like these. Anyway, let's get it on 3. And we want it as far away as possible, so we don't have to go there next time. So it's right there. 9 locks on the tree. Woohoo! Tomorrow it's 10 locks. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this quite quick video. I will see you tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.